NFL Sunday Ticket recordings on PC. In today's video, you are going to learn how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket recordings on PC. So let's get started. With NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV, you can record games, download recordings, and find replays of NFL games available through your subscriptions. Unlimited digital video recording is available for NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime Channels subscribers through the YouTube TV application or website. Even if you do not have a YouTube TV subscription, you can watch them. So, go to tv.youtube.com and select sign in, then sign in with the same Google account you used to buy NFL Sunday Ticket. Once you are signed in, select Not Now on the Welcome to YouTube TV page and enter your zip code. Add specific teams or the NFL to your YouTube TV library. Adding the NFL to your library will record current and future airings of NFL games available to you through the NFL Sunday Ticket Primetime Channel. Your recordings are stored on your account so you can watch them from any supported device on the YouTube TV website or application. You can download them to watch offline. For that, open the YouTube TV app, sign in with the Google account that you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket, and go to your library. In the library, find the game that you want to download and tap Download. Completed downloads will show up in your library under the Downloads tab, and you can watch them whenever you want to. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content like this.